In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download and install Windows on your Mac. So to do this, we need to download an application called Parallels. Now, Parallels allows you to download and install Windows on your Mac so you can play games and you can open apps that work solely on Windows. So to do this, what we need to do is head over to a browser, and then you want to search for Parallels for Mac. Search for this, and then you want to select the top search result right here, so parallels.com. I will leave a link to this in the description if you want to click on it from down there. But once you go to this, it will then bring you over to this page. Now you can get a free version, which is a free trial, or you can buy this for $89.99 per year. So what you want to do is first of all click on buy now or try for free, whichever you want. So if you try for free, you will be able to use Windows for free for a limited amount of time. You will now need to enter in your email address into this box right here. And then once you enter in your email address, select I agree, click on submit, and then you will then be redirected over to this page where you will then be able to select download Parallels desktop. Once you click on this, the download will then start in the top right hand corner. It takes a couple of seconds as it's a really small download. Click on this right here, and then that will then open up this window. You want to double click on this to install Parallels on your Mac, and then once you have installed Parallels desktop, you will then get something that looks like this. Once you get this, all you simply need to do to install Windows 11 is select Install Windows, and then once you click on Install Windows, as you will notice, it will then start downloading and installing Windows on your Mac. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download and install Windows 11 on your Mac.